Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vincent Motolo, and it is my honor to welcome you all to the 2025 UCT Staff Awards.
This evening we are here at the Baxter Theatre to celebrate more than 300 staff members in terms of their contribution to UCT, their contribution to their work, their individual tasks, but how all of it cumulatively contributes to what UCT is and the excellence that the university is, us remaining number one on the continent as an institution, us being a symbol of excellence, and the reputation that we enjoy is because of the hard work of our staff.
I'm particularly moved by those who have served this institution for decades. Some for about 35 years and others even 45 years.
Ladies and gents, let's stand and give a warm round of applause for Mr. Terence Swarts, our 45-year-long service award recipient.
I am truly grateful to have been here. It's like telling me to go home. I mean, that's how I feel, because it's not just a working environment, it's also a family environment as well. It's like coming from work home to a family and coming from a family back to another family. And that is what I've experienced at UCT. And I'm very, very grateful that I could work here for 45 years.
So we just won the Vice-Chancellor's Excellence Award for Transformation as part of the BCom Management Studies team. Really exciting stuff. What the BCom Management Studies degree is about being able to leave with a degree even if you may have not been successful in your original degree. And so what we do is we just take on these students and give them a curated degree that is very tailored to their interests so that they can leave the university with something.
I'm from the Urban Design program in the School of Architecture, Planning and Geomatics, and I'm very happy to be here tonight to receive the Social Responsiveness Award for the project of Timber Walkway, but also combining it with Studio Hope and also the bigger research, the Walkway project, which has been exhibited for Beta Gugulethu this year.
It's very easy to get lost in just doing the work, right? And you don't really get to realize what's on the other side of that work. And a lot of the time, what's on the other side are students, real people, real lives being impacted. So it's really beautiful to see that the university also cares about these things and recognizes the work that we're doing, so much so that they make us feel proud about it, you know?
So I would say to our staff, thank you for what you do at UCT. Thank you for what you do for UCT. Thank you for making us look good. Thank you for the reputation that you create. We pride ourselves in the excellence that we are because of the contribution that each and every one of you make in your daily tasks, individually and together. And together we are UCT.